What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Optima flip key remote fob. This Kia Optima key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and go ahead and flip the key blade open. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the side where the key blade folds in, what I'm going to do is pop this back cover off right here. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and put it in that slot and then just pry up like that. And then once you get the cover started, go ahead and pull it the rest of the way off with your hand like that. And now we see our battery right here, and if I hold my key fob with the blade pointing down in this orientation, I'm going to come over here to the top of the key, or the top of the battery rather, like this, and get under the edge of it with my screwdriver and pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up, and I'm going to kind of tuck this bottom edge in first, again if I'm holding it like this. So kind of tuck that bottom edge in like that, and then snap the battery down into place, into the holder, and then we can snap that back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.